Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's take a look at the second section. Here we've got the OTG connection option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active. You can freely use it. If you want to turn it off, you've got two different ways to do it. So you can of course do it manually just by tapping on the switcher, or you can wait, because as you can see we've got the information that this option will be automatically turned off when it will be not in use for 10 minutes. So it's of course up to you. So actually this is it. This is how to enable OTG connection in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.